Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I am participating in the Fall in Love challenge that's being hosted by Creative Glam. What she has asked us to do is create something fall related and show the project from the beginning to end. So I have these three 5x7 frames I purchased from the Dollar Tree in this placemat, and I'm going to create some wall art for under $5. So of course, you know, the first thing we're going to do is take the frames loose so I can measure out my art and just cut it down to size and put it in the frames. This is simple, nice and simple. My channel is focused on ways to save money by being creative. Of course, I could have went to the store and purchased some wall art, but why? When I can create it for less and save that money for something else. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Miss V, and I am on a debt-free journey. So on this channel, you will see a lot of budget-friendly, do-it-yourself projects like this one. And I love to participate in collaborations because it's a great way to meet different people. Look at that. Nice, clean art. And I love these frames, how it has that wood look around it. I have one more to go, and I like the fact that all three pictures are the same but different. And just a disclosure, of course, this is a Dollar Tree frame, so it's not as much quality as a more expensive frame. So keep that in mind when you're creating your art, because a few of the frames did crack a little bit. I had to reinforce them with some tape and some glue, but the finished product is nice. So Sharon, thank you for coming up with this fun collab. I'm always interested in doing collabs, so thank you. Is this not cute? So I'll have Sharon's channel linked in the description box, and I'll also have a link to the playlist. Again, thank you, Sharon. And this is it displayed on my craft desk, and I'll show you it displayed hanging. That not simple and cute? These fun pictures will bring out a room. Just simple, a placemat and some frames.